Alright guys, back to 3 and 4 American Auto Wire. 3 and 4 circuit branch 3 and 4 consist of lots of little wires. Here's one that goes to the left side underneath the dash. This is a courtesy lamp, just needs a bulb, and you ground it. This right here is fog lamp, and I guess that would go to a switch perhaps, and then this orange wire has nothing on it, but it shows it's a 40 amp switch, so that's the fog lamp says 500 amp. I mean fog lamp 500 amp. These two fog lamp switch, so I guess you create a switch with these two, and then what you see here is just this wiring coming for branch 3 is basically your steering column signal switch for your steering column, and in the 69 you would run it on the left side of the steering wheel, which you have enough here to do so, and then reach the column. But for the 1970, they want you to go over the steering column and around, and then hook it to the column switch that you have, the factory. That's a ground wire for that. So that takes care of circuit branch 3. Don't forget your little lamp here. Okay. Now the more complicated one is your circuit branch 4, and it's not that complicated because this is just a headlight switch connection right here, and this is it. Plus you've got ground, heavy ground here for these lights, I believe. And so this is your light switch that goes to your headlight switch right here. This is an extra one. I'm just going to give it away. Whoever wants it, let me know. And maybe I'll give it away. I may sell it. I don't know. I may keep it to make sure that mine works first. Okay, so you got this. This is part of branch 4, and this right here says accessory connection, and that's basically gonna go to instrument cluster and map lamp ground, that one there. But this harness here is going to go to 510052, and it's actually rear body kit. So this is what you get, and it comes in and you plug it in here, and that goes to the rear of the car, where you will finagle your connections any way you want. And here are some extra, your side marker lamps and your tail lamps, and perhaps you would rig up your reverse lamps, I'm not sure, but so that's for this. And so we've got branch 4 taken care of. So a lot of the wiring that you do will have to be starting here whenever you're running these wires to the back of the car. And the good thing is they're labeled, so you can make sure you get to the right one. Gas gauge. So I guess this would go to the gas gauge, but then have to open all these wires up and see. Third brake light, if you got a third brake light. Some of this stuff you won't be using, some of this stuff you may already have. But yeah, here's a little schematic in here for wiring the markers and hooking up the connections and stuff. But that's 510052, and that's going with this circuit branch 4. Okay, so I've given you 1, 2, 3, 4, and next video I'll do 5 and 6. And I think this is part of 4. However, it's going to accessories, but basically accessories like power windows, fuel pump, power locks, And so power windows, power locks, and a fuel pump, electric fuel pump perhaps if you have one. Then you'll use this and then wire. You'll have to create your own plug here if you want to do a plug, but that's what this is for. You put your prongs and stuff in there and it'll lock them in, and then you can plug that into this, but that's part of 4. Almost left that out. So that's auxiliary wires. It says auxiliary connection right there for stuff like your door locks and your stuff like that. Whatever you want to feed it to. You may have something you want to use it for besides just me. I'm not going to use it at all, so it'll just lay there hidden in the dash. Okay, we'll see you on the next one. It'll be 5 and 6. Hope you're finding this as easy as I am. Thank you.